we discuss two products which gives us AD.
Mm-hmm.
One is Lapsa
Lapsa.
and the other
Second,
is
yeah,
SLS.
SLS.
SLS. Okay. Acha. SLS. Acha. SLS also gives us AD. It is in powder form. SLS is available in Pakistan,
Okay.
in my country, in
Okay.
powder form.
Mhm. Which SLS? Which country is very good, high quality having?
Acha. There are different countries like China, Taiwan, Malaysia.
Malaysia.
People normally said, I listen from people that Taiwan quality is very good, but I have some different parameter on quality. I
Pakistan.
will say, me local.
Okay.
SLS is not locally manufactured. Our this product is not being manufactured in our country, Pakistan. Okay. Acha. Acha. We will, according to my opinion, we should buy SLS from different
Mm.
countries. Yeah, different vendors. I think Taiwan
Yes.
and Malaysia. That SLS will be very good, which has high percentage of AD in it.
Okay.
The SLS which has higher percentage of AD is very good.
Very good.
Which has low percentage is not so
Not good.
good.
Yes.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes, of course.
Acha. Why we use this and why we use, why, you what is the difference between them? It also gives AD.
Yes.
It also gives AD. Both are the sources
Same.
of
Same.
AD. Both gives AD. But your question should be, okay, what we should use?
Why? Yes, of
Uh,
course. But should
which,
I use?
what should I use? We
Yes.
should use this. We should use this.
This. Yeah.
I will little explain about this your question.
Exactly.
This product is locally manufactured in Pakistan, Lapsa. So we have, its cost is very low as compared to this.
Yeah.
It is a cost
Cost
effective.
effective.
It is a little bit costly. This one, double price. If Lapsa is Lapsa cost is 500 per kg, its cost is almost 1000 Rs per kg. Okay. In Pakistan, this double cost,
Double cost.
but it has one benefit, two benefit. It has two benefits. One benefit is that it is in powder form because we are making our product in powder form.
Yes, powder form.
Powder
Yes.
form. Okay.
Mm.
The SLS is in powder form, and the second benefit of SLS is that it is a foam booster.
Yani, what is the meaning of foam
Foam
booster?
booster. Foam booster. Foaming. Do you
Okay.
know foaming? Jog.
Foaming.
Foaming.
Just on one.
Foaming. Search. First, you search foaming. You a picture will come to you.
Okay. Foaming.
Fish there.
What is the spell? F I
Foaming. F O
F O I N
A
G.
A
No.
M I N G. Ni foaming. Framing ni foaming.
Okay. Foaming.
Foaming.
No, no,
Foaming.
no, no.
Foaming.
Yes, of course. I give. Calf.
Hmm. Ha, cuff. Ha.
Calf. Yes.
Foaming.
Foaming is very important in the
Bubbles.
video.
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Do you
Yes.
understand?
Yes. Yes. Of course.
Okay.
Now I give you a name. Foaming.
Cha.
Yani the job of SLS foaming.
Foaming.
Okay.
And job of Lapsa is also foaming.
Foaming.
And but this one is more important in cleaning.
Okay.
It gives us cleaning.
Cleaning.
It also gives us cleaning. Like, but it is high cost.
Eye cast.
Its cost is double from this.
Okay.
Double cost.
You suggest for me which one we can use, and
Okay. That is very good question,
uh,
which I am expecting from you. कि we what chemical we should use from this and this. ठीक
yes,
है ना?
yes.
Okay. अच्छा. We are making a washing powder. We should making our washing powder cost effective.
Cost.
कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होना चाहिए हमारा वॉशिंग पाउडर. अच्छा, बिकॉज दिस वन इज costly, we should use a little percentage of this, only 1% or 2%, just to get a foaming,
Okay.
because